Solving multi-step equations with negative numbers. I have done adding in the previous video, so it might be worth you stepping back to that first just to get used to the steps that I'm going to be doing in this one. So all you need to remember is the sign, our plus or minus, changes as you move the variable, which is an x, a letter, should I say, could be an x, or a number, over the equal sign. So it goes up over. So if it's a plus, this side of the equation, and you take it over the equal sign, it becomes a negative. Okay? So by doing this one first, as an example, we have 2x minus 9 equals 4x minus 1. Okay, so we're going to use these rules I've just said to you. And the sign changes as you move the variable over the equal sign, it changes. So in this case, our variable, our letter is x. Like I've said previously, I tend to take the smaller number over to the biggest number. It just makes life easier, simpler. So we're going to take this 4x over the equal sign. So now I've got 6x minus 4x, because that's a plus. There's nothing in front of it. Subtract 9 equals subtract 1. So let's sort these out first, because the objective is to get x on its own. So 6x minus 4x is 2x. And minus 9 equals minus 1. Now we need to get the other variable, which is our numbers, over the equal sign by changing the sign. So now we've got minus 1. This is going to go over, and it's going to become a plus 9. So minus 1 plus 9 is 8. And as you know, in previous normal algebra questions, you divide that number with whatever number is here. In this case, it's a 2. How many times does 2 go into 8? It's 4. So there you go. Your variable, your letter is on its own, the unknown, and your answer is 4. So therefore, x equals 4. Let's do another one. 3x minus 1 equals 23 minus x. So let's start with the x's again. So I've got 3x. I'm going to bring that over to my bigger x, 3x, which is 3x. It's going to become a plus. Minus 1 equals 23. So 3x plus x is 4x. Minus 1 equals 23. We're going to take this minus 1 over the equal sign like that. And it's now going to be a plus. This gives us 24. Divide by the number in front of the x to get the unknown, which is x on its own. 4 divided by 24 goes 6 times. Therefore, x equals 6. Let's do another one. 80 minus x equals 8x minus 1. So this time, the x is larger on this side. And remember, it doesn't matter which side it goes on. It's just how I do it. So now I've got 8x. It's going over. It's going to become plus x minus 1 equals 80. So 8x plus x is 9x minus 1. That's what we've got left. Let's deal with the numbers now. minus 1 has got to go over there, and it's going to turn into a plus. So it's going to be 80 plus 1 equals 9x. Divide by 9, and 9's into, sorry, that's 81. 9 divided by 81 equals 9. So x equals 9. So as you can see, it doesn't matter which side this x, because there the x equals 4 and the x equals 9. It just depends on how you do it. Either way is fine. Depends how your brain works. Going to do another one. Right. Okay, so like I do, I tend to take the smaller over to the larger. So I've got 15x, and that's a plus. So it's going to become negative 12x minus 38. You have a negative 20 left. So 15x minus 12x equals 3x minus 38 minus 20. Just put it all in as you go. So now we need to get this variable, the numbers over. So that minus 38 becomes a plus. So now we've got plus 38 minus 20, which equals 18. So that's what we've got left with. Divide as normal. 3 divided, or 3 into 18. How many times does 3 go into 18? It goes 6. So the answer is 6. X equals 6. And now I want to leave a question here for you. And I'm going to give you the answer only. I'm not going to do it for you. I want you to do it yourself. So I'm going to do... Okay, 3x minus 3 equals 4x minus 6. And the answer is x equals 3. So now you've got the answer, you can work it out. And if you haven't got this answer, you've got it wrong. So what's this do? I'll do another question for you to do alone. Yeah, let's do 15x minus x equals 27 minus 3x. And the answer is 6. Okay? Just a quick note, it's not always x. It could be y, it could be w, it could be a, it could be anything. It's not always going to be x, okay? It's just the letter that I've chosen to do these examples to help you. Okay?